Hello everybody. So today we're going to cook something special for you guys. Hi Mom. So what are we cooking today?
Yeah, I cook some veggie.
Okay, so we're going to cook 3-cup chicken today. So very simple ingredients, okay? So first of all, we're going to heat up the oil. We just use regular vegetable oil. And these are the ingredients: ginger, chili, and then also garlic, and of course 1 whole chicken, and as well as a bunch of ingredients right here. So we're going to show you guys how to do this, okay? All right, so let's go. Okay, first we're going to cook the ginger. Make sure your oil is actually hot, okay, before you put in your ingredients. Okay, and next you're going to put all your garlic. This is about 1 clove of garlic, so you can go based on your liking. You don't have to put so much of the ginger or the garlic. Okay, so next we're going to put all the chicken inside. We are using whole chicken. You can use chicken wings, you can use any part of the chicken thighs, but we're using whole chicken here. Okay, so the next step, you cook about 5 minutes and you're going to add sesame oil. So you add about 2 tablespoons of sesame oil and you continue to cook. So you cook until the chicken is golden, and then next we're going to add soy sauce. You can use any type of soy sauce. So we're going to add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. It smells so good right now. And 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. And you continue to cook. Okay, so after about 5 minutes, you're going to add rice wine. You add about 1 tablespoon of rice wine, and you continue to fold the chicken. It smells so delicious right now. You have to make this one, you guys. Okay, so the next ingredient, we're going to put sugar. 1 teaspoon of sugar. And then also the chili. You can skip this step if you don't like spicy. We love spicy food, so we're going to put a little bit of chili inside. And then right now you're going to place the lid and then continue to cook on medium heat. And just let it cook for about 15 minutes. Alright, and we will check on it in 15 minutes. Okay, so it has been 15 minutes. Okay, as you can tell, most of the natural liquid has been absorbed already. We didn't add any water at all. So the last step, and this is the most important step, you guys, you must add basil leaves. And this is definitely the highlight of this dish. The highlight of the 3-cup chicken, make sure you add some basil leaves. Of course, you can put as much as you like. You don't have to put a whole bunch. So just do it to your liking. And then you continue to cook. It smells so good when you add basil leaves. And the last but not the least, we're going to add some dark cooking wine. Okay, so you're going to add 1 tablespoon of dark cooking wine. Okay, and so that's it. Thank you.